The cool thing about this walking pad is it does have these bars. Let me show you how that works and a few more things with this walking pad. Now this is made by the brand Wellfit. It plugs into power with this cable, has an on-off button, it has some small wheels on the front. And let me start out by showing you the walking pad with the bars down. It has a remote control. The remote control has a simple on-off button. If you press that, it has a 3, 2, 1 countdown. And then you have a plus and minus button as well to increase or decrease the speed. This was sent to me so I could make this video and test it out. And I've used a lot of walking pads before. This is the first one I've used with a bar. It's actually really cool with the bar, and this has a lot of cool features with this walking pad. But before I put the bar up, let me just show you, this is the slowest speed. It's 0.6 miles an hour. As you can see, I'm not going fast at all. If I'm using this at my desk and trying to work at the same time, I kind of like it at this slow speed. I'm not really getting great exercise, but I am getting some movement in. So especially if I'm tired or I've just been sitting all day and I want to kind of get up and move about, I do really like this slower speed. Now let me go ahead and go up to the fastest speed. And one thing of note is the fastest speed is different without the bar up and with the bar up. So now I'm going at 3.8 miles per hour. I can kind of speed walk this if I want, or I can do a slow jog. But now I'm getting my heart rate up, and this is a good speed for just kind of getting more exercise if you want it. Another way you could get a bit more exercise with this is it does come with some feet that you can screw in to give it a bit more of an incline. That's going to work your leg muscles a little bit more and just give you a bit more exercise that way. So to move the bar up, all you have to do is there's a latch here. You pull the latch out, then you move the bar up, then you put the latch back in, and then it's secured into place. And the reason it's beeping now is because with the bar up, it does want this little red hook thing goes in there magnetically. You can clip this to your clothes or something, so if you fall out and this comes off, then it automatically shuts down and stops instantly. So that's a nice safety feature with this. And now that I have the bar up, I no longer need this remote control because it has the buttons and controls on the front. It also has a place here where you can put your phone. But let me go ahead and press start. A nice thing about the controls here is it does have some presets. So it has a preset for 3 miles an hour, also has a preset for 6 miles an hour. You might be thinking, hey, that's interesting. It only goes up to 3.8 miles per hour. But you're wrong. With the bar up and you've got that extra stability that you can hold on to, it actually goes up to 7 something miles an hour. Well, let's see. So I'm at 6. I'm going to press up 7.6. So that's what I'm going to be going to. And you can see at this faster speed, I definitely need this bar because now I'm going at a speed where it's really taking my heart rate up. And without this bar, I would probably fall off going this fast. So this is a great way to get some cardio in. Obviously, with the bar going up and that extra speed, you can get a lot more exercise. Now, another cool thing about this walking pad is you can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. They have an app that comes with this, and with the app, you can actually program different workouts. And one cool thing with the workouts on the app is they have some pre-recorded routes that you can take. So you can turn that on and it will actually walk you through different places as you're walking on the walking pad. And it shows you your progress, how far you've gone, how long you've been going, and things like that. But it is a really fun way to kind of keep you motivated because you can see your progress, you can see where you're walking, and it feels a little bit more like you're outside actually going on a walk or a jog. I've been really happy with this walking pad. I do like that it has the bar, especially because it has those faster speeds. I think it's a great way to get more exercise in. And because of the bar, the walking pad is a little bit longer than other walking pads I've used, but it's still really mobile and still easy to move around. So if you need to put this under a couch or a bed or anything like that, it's really easy to pick up. It's easy to move. It is a bit heavy, but you can move it around fairly easily, especially with the wheels on the bottom. This is a really nice walking pad.